Brothers, can I talk to y'all for a minute? A lot of y'all are hurting right now and nobody sees it because men know how to hide their pain. A man can lose his marriage, lose his family structure, lose the woman that he thought he was going to go old with, and still wake up the next day, go to work, pay bills, answer the phone, and pretend like nothing has happened. But internally, man, that man is hurting. He's trying to hold himself together because divorce hits differently for men, despite what y'all think out there. Especially men that spend their whole life sacrificing, providing, protecting, building. A lot of men wrap their whole identity in being needed. When the relationship changes, the man starts questioning himself. Was I not good enough? What did I do wrong? Why did everything change? Last night, everything was fine. Last week everything was fine. But men, sometimes people simply grow apart, and that's okay. Sometimes life changes people, stress changes people, emotions change. Sometimes two people that once loved each other deeply simply evolve in two different directions. And yes, age, hormones, emotions, exhaustion, pressure, trauma, and life experiences can affect the relationship in ways that people never even talk about. They just think that you're supposed to be strong, my guy. But hear me carefully. Blaming somebody will not heal you, bro. Bitterness will not rebuild you. And changing for you is for the best. Stop begging somebody to stay where they no longer want to be. You will destroy your self-worth begging somebody. As a man, this is a season not to chase people, because if she truly loved you, you wouldn't have to chase her. This season is about rebuilding you mentally, physically, financially, spiritually. Some of y'all spend 20, 30, 40 years carrying somebody else, but never fully healing yourself. Never fully discovering yourself and never rebuilding yourself outside of being somebody's husband, father, or protector. Now, life is forcing you to face you. Until you heal the little boy inside of you, you will never heal as a man, and that goes the same for you women. That's painful, but it can also be powerful, because some of the strongest men that walk this planet right now were rebuilt through heartbreak, through betrayal, loss, pain. And guess what? Pain will either destroy a man or discipline him. So, brothers, stop laying in bed every night replaying those old arguments. What you do, what went wrong. Stop trying to force dead situations back alive. Stop measuring your values by who walked away from you. You still got purpose. You still got value. You still got life left to live. Now it's time for you to travel, train your body, build that business, fix your health, reconnect with God. Learn yourself again, because the version of yourself that you ignored for years, you were too busy saving everybody else. That version is gone. Change. And men, if you're going through this right now, if you're mentally exhausted, emotionally drained, and trying to rebuild your confidence, your finances, your directions, reach out to me. Go to MrThinkAboutIt.com, book a call, because sometimes a man doesn't need judgment. Sometimes he just needs a strategy, perspective, guidance, and another man to remind him that this is not the end of your story. This is the rebuild. I'm Mr. Think About It, and I'll talk to you later. Peace, and God bless you.